What's up, AI Explorers? I'm Khalid from October Moon Media Group, and today I'm taking you through 3 AI workflows that will completely transform how you use AI in your business. By the end of this video, you'll have an AI persona that speaks in your authentic voice, a research-to-content pipeline that creates strategic marketing materials, and the ability to turn complex documents into professional business assets. This isn't theory. This is hands-on, practical AI implementation you can use immediately. So let's jump right in and build this together. Here's what we're building today. In Lab 1, we'll create an AI persona that captures your authentic communication style and speaks directly to your ideal clients. In Lab 2, we'll build a research-to-content pipeline that turns market intelligence into revenue-generating marketing materials. And in Lab 3, we're going to transform complex legal documents into professional client-ready business forms. Each workflow builds on the last, and by the end, you'll have a complete AI toolkit that saves you time while helping you scale your business. Before we dive in, I've created a lab guide with every single prompt I'm using in this video, and you can get it free by clicking the link in the description and making a copy for yourself. It's a Google Doc with all the exact prompts, step-by-step instructions, and templates you can customize for your own business. When you click the link, just hit File, then make a copy so you can personalize everything for your specific industry and audience. Trust me, this will be incredibly valuable. The link is right there in the description. Let's get started with Lab 1. First, let me show you the problem we're solving. When people create AI content, it usually sounds like everyone else because they're not teaching AI to sound like them. The problem isn't that AI can't write good content. The problem is that we're giving it surface level information when what it needs is deep strategic understanding of your unique voice and your specific audience. And today I'm going to show you how to extract your authentic communication style and turn it into an AI that creates content that sounds genuinely like you. We're starting with Google Notebook because it's specifically designed to analyze large amounts of your actual content. I've uploaded all my workshop transcripts, teaching materials, and business communications into this notebook I call AI Essentials Knowledge Base. If you've downloaded the lab guide from the description, you'll see this exact prompt in this section. Here's the key prompt. From all my transcripts and business content, extract my authentic communication style. How do I explain complex concepts? What phrases do I use repeatedly? What's my tone when addressing challenges versus opportunities? Now, Notebook LM takes a moment to process all of the sources, and then boom, check out some of the patterns it's identified. This isn't generic business advice. This is how I actually communicate with my clients, pulled from real classroom work. Now we're going to refine this across multiple AI platforms because each one adds different strengths. I'm taking this authentic communication style to Gemini first because Gemini gives us the strategic framework. Here's what we get. Khalid's brand voice is that of an approachable, action-oriented AI expert. He breaks down complex AI concepts into relatable, everyday analogies, making them easy for anyone to grasp. His tone is enthusiastic and encouraging, always emphasizing practical applications. This is solid, but I want to refine it to sound even more authentic and down to earth. So I'm taking this to ChatGPT to refine the voice with this prompt. Make it capture the conversational, accessible teaching style, the let's build this together energy, the balance of technical expertise with human connection. Now we get Khalid's brand voice is warm, collaborative, and grounded in real-world impact. He makes AI feel accessible by translating complex ideas into clear, relatable insights. Perfect. This feels and sounds a lot more like me. Now we're going to move into Claude and test this persona with real content. I'll use this persona to write a welcome email for my new students when they register for the AI Essentials course. Listen to this result. Welcome to AI Essentials. Let's build something amazing together. Hey there, and welcome to the cohort. First off, I'm genuinely excited you're here. The fact that you've committed to diving into AI tells me you're not just curious, but you're ready to take action. That mindset alone puts you ahead of the curve. This doesn't sound like generic AI speak. This sounds like me talking to my students. It has the encouragement, the realistic expectations, the we're in this together energy. And let's test it one more time with the LinkedIn post about authentic AI implementation. Here's the thing about authentic AI that nobody talks about. It's not about making AI sound more human. It's about using AI in ways that amplify your actual expertise and perspective. See how this maintains my voice across different content types? This is the power of a properly built AI persona. So what did we just accomplish? We went from scattered AI tools giving us generic content to a systematic process that creates content in my authentic voice. We started with Google Notebook LM to analyze my actual communication patterns from real transcripts. And we used Gemini to create the initial persona framework, and ChatGPT refined it for authenticity and voice, and Claude tested it with real business content. Now I have a welcome email that goes out to every new AI Essential student and a LinkedIn post that drives traffic to content like this YouTube video, all speaking in my authentic voice at scale. That's Lab 1 complete. You now have an AI persona that sounds like you. Let's move to Lab 2. Lab 2, research to content pipeline. Most people's research process looks like scattered Google searches, random browser tabs open, and then trying to turn vague insights into actual content. I'm going to show you how to build a systematic research to content pipeline that creates strategic, data-driven marketing materials in under 30 minutes. And we're starting with Perplexity because it's designed for deep research, not just surface-level search results. If you have the lab guide open, you'll find all these search queries in section 2. Our first prompt: what are the biggest AI implementation challenges for service-based entrepreneurs making $300 to $500K annually in 2025? Perplexity scours the internet and delivers insights in a structured way. It also includes links to sources if I want to dive deeper into any details. So let's go deeper with the second prompt. How are successful service businesses using AI to scale without burnout? There's great information here on solutions and success stories. And for our final prompt, what are the most practical AI tools for service businesses looking to automate marketing and operations? See how each search builds on the last? We're creating a complete intelligence picture of our market. Now, we'll synthesize this research with our ideal client understanding. I've created a notebook called October Moon Media Group Business Intelligence with years of my business docs, marketing and planning, and I'm adding all of our research as sources by copying and pasting them into that notebook. Now when I prompt it with, based on the research in my ideal client persona, what content themes would most resonate with burned out entrepreneurs who are AI curious but implementation hesitant? And here are the themes it returns. Now these are themes based on my business, my ideal client avatar, and current industry trends. Let's follow up with this prompt. Generate 5 email sequence topics that guide someone from AI hesitant to ready to invest in AI implementation. This isn't random content creation. This is strategic sequence design based on real market research. Now we turn insights into assets using our systematic approach. We'll use ChatGPT to create a strategic framework, Claude to optimize for psychology and persuasion, and Gemini to integrate our authentic voice. In ChatGPT, I'll use the prompt template from the lab guide. Create a 5 email nurture sequence for burned out entrepreneurs hesitant about AI implementation. Here we go, a 5 email sequence that talks directly to my ideal client. The pain point, the fear-busting reframe, the tangible payoff, the strategic vision, the invitation. Now I'll take these into Claude for psychology optimization. Look at this. The pain point is now the permission to stop, with the subject line, permission to stop doing everything yourself. You're not failing. Check out this opening. I know that feeling. 3 a.m., laptop still open, wondering how everyone else makes it look so easy. Now, these emails are almost production ready. Claude even gives us a breakdown of the changes it made and why. But one more stop in Gemini with our persona from Lab 1. So you tell me, does this sound like me? Hey there, I get it. That feeling of staring at your laptop at 3 a.m., wondering how everyone else seems to make entrepreneurship look so easy? In less than 20 minutes, we went from market research to complete 5 email nurture sequence that's research-backed, psychologically optimized, and voice consistent. Lab 2 complete. We now have a systematic research to content pipeline that creates strategic marketing materials based on real market intelligence. That's 2 labs down, and you now have an AI persona and a content creation system. Let's move to our final lab, smart document generation. For our final lab, we're tackling something most business owners either avoid completely or pay lawyers thousands of dollars to handle. I'm going to show you how to analyze Otter AI's terms of service and create a client consent form that I'll actually use in my business. For document analysis, I'm adding Otter's terms of service, privacy policy, and FAQs as sources into a new Notebook LM project. This gives us comprehensive understanding of how they handle client data. You'll find the exact analysis prompt in section 3 of your lab guide. How does Otter AI use recorded conversations and voice data? What rights do participants have over their recordings? How about that? A clear summary of all these documents in simple to understand language, and if I need to go to a specific source, I can. With this summary, I now understand exactly what I need to disclose to clients when I record our strategy sessions. Next, in Perplexity, I'll research current compliance requirements. What are data privacy concerns for coaching businesses recording client sessions in 2025? What are the best practices for client consent forms in professional coaching? What are the legal requirements for recording business consultations? Now I'll copy and paste these results as sources into the Notebook LM so we can synthesize Otter's actual practices with industry compliance requirements. Time to create the actual consent form. Now, Notebook LM is great for research and understanding, but not the best for writing. So I'll prompt it. Based on Otter AI's policies and coaching industry compliance requirements, create a comprehensive outline for a client consent form. Now, I'll take this outline into Claude for the professional first draft with legal accuracy. You getting the hang of this now? I'll take this draft into ChatGPT to refine it for client friendliness while maintaining protection. Finally, I'll take it into Gemini for a final polish for professional presentation. This consent form is now going into my actual client onboarding process. This is AI creating real business value, not just impressive demos. Lab 3 complete. We now have the ability to turn complex legal documents into professional, client-ready business form. Let's look at what we accomplished in this video. Lab 1, an AI persona that speaks in your authentic voice and creates content that converts. Lab 2, a research to content pipeline that turns market intelligence into strategic marketing materials. Lab 3, professional document generation that protects your business and builds client trust. This is the journey from AI curious to AI capable. You're no longer randomly prompting AI tools. You have systematic workflows that solve real business problems and create measurable value. If you follow along with these 3 labs and you're thinking, I want to master more of the AI workflows that can transform my business, then you might be interested in the Complete AI Essentials program. This is where we go from AI capable to AI essential. 10 weeks of advanced workflows, custom automation systems, one-on-one coaching, and complete business transformation. It's designed for serious business owners who want to implement AI systematically and strategically. Drop a comment and let me know which one of these 3 workflows you're most excited to implement. I read every comment and I'd love to see what you build. And if this workshop helped you, hit those like and subscribe buttons for more AI Builder content. And thanks for spending your time building with me today. You're no longer AI curious, you're AI capable. Now go build something amazing.